another week. Welcome to Soft Trading Academy. Welcome to our second top-down analysis for the week. So for this week, we still go down first to our Forex Factory. I want to still always go back to my Forex Factory to see the news we have for the week. So for this week, we have major news coming in from Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I should be looking for my trades within that Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So but also check and also remember that this week we have the inauguration of the US. So I'm a little bit having two view of the market, which I will react on the both of them to avoid missing out. So because for the inauguration it's like a bullish move for the dollar, and the dollar has been on a bullish move, but technically we are seeing a more of like price want to give a bearish move. So just be flexible so you make the best out of it. So first is we going down to our DXY. So from the weekly, 1 week, from the weekly, if you watch what we have on DXY, we have price maintaining short for some months. Price have been maintaining a bullish price action, like it has been bullish. We have a lot of fair value gap that's yet to be mitigated. We have one here, we have another one here. This one was mitigated, and then we still have another one here. So and this like another blocks sitting on the fair value gap as well. So we might have price, that's number one scenario, we might have price come down to clear off all this liquidity why it comes to this fair value gap, and then we have a push to the upside. That's scenario number one, which then after that we could have price continue the bullish move, which on the 1 hour I gave analysis for that as well. So that's where I had this move. So I want to see price come to this place come to this place, and then we drop this, like more of like internal structure break, internal market structure break. So with this break we should be targeting this as the liquidity to be cleared, and then after that we are heading down, we are heading into the fair value the other block we have, which also has a fair value gap. That's scenario number one. So but scenario number two, because this week I'm having two scenarios and I'm going to react both on the both scenario. So in scenario number two we have price. I think price have reacted like 50% of this position coming on this move. See, on this move you have price reacted of 50% of this move. Do you understand? Still lying on here. You see how price try breaking it, came down, close below it, and this more of like a break of market structure to the upside. Do you understand? And 50% is okay for retracement, because you just have to be flexible in this market. You don't have to be rigid. So 50% is okay for a retracement technically. Do you understand? And then when you come to 5 minutes, because why I'm doing this thing is we've been bullish, we are bullish. So you shouldn't be forcing a retracement that is not yet fully ripe. Do you understand? So in case you see the bullish move coming in, take in the bullish move, but that's where we have the pro trend. Then the bearish move like a retracement. So if the retracement is not clear, leave it. Sorry, this thing is taking more time, but I will still give you guys a breakdown at the end of the video. So stay tuned, and please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for us to be able to keep on posting our content regularly. So from here you see that we have a structure that has been broken, because price have regularly closed above this area. Do you understand? A little candle, see, a little candle, very small. So I won't be surprised to see price come back to this place. To this place, and we now have the push to the upside. You understand? We might have something like this from here. You can now have something like this from here to probably this place, and we use this breaker block that is to be violated if it's going to be violated around this region. Do you understand? So we'll have, sorry, I'm having issues with my network. Let me check. A few minutes. So we'll have price come back to this level, and then we push to the upside. Sorry. So this is like scenario number 2. So my half price do something like this. Use this what is it called? This other block that if it's gonna be violated, which is violated, you understand, like for the second re-entry. So my half price do something like that, come down a little bit to this level. That's after it have retested this to this place. So come down to this level, and then you now keep on pushing to the upside, like gradually, until that high, I think on the 4 hours, until that high is taken out, until this high. Then this high will not be the high for the to not be the high to be taken out, the drawn liquidity. So we'll have something like this, and then we'll clear up here. That's what I'm saying. The second scenario, the first scenario is this one. So and the second scenario is this. Why? Because when you look closely on 4 hours from here, we've not really broken any structure per se. Not really broken any structure per se. Because breaking of structure, the major structure should break below here. We're supposed to have a break below here, majorly, if you want to check it as break of structure. Then here will become the liquidity. Then probably market will create another liquidity before your POI. Do you understand? So that's what I'm checking. Then this area, see this last candle before they push to the upside, this serves as another block. So that I'm explaining the whole top-down analysis for you guys, because this is meant for premium members. So, but just watch close. This is supposed to be the last bearish candle before they move to the upside that broke structure. So this is supposed to serve as another block. So, and watch closely. We've had this retest here, looking so shabby, but it's a retest. So then coming down to your GU, for example, Euro USD. I don't know. Let's check Euro USD. Coming down to your Euro USD, let's use Pepperstone broker. So if you watch closely, we are being in a bearish trend. Smoothly, we've been in a bearish trend on the Euro USD. So buying, it's more of like being careful. It's more of like taking the retracement. So when you're taking retracement, you're supposed to be very, very careful taking retracement. Do you understand? And we had price retraced from this region. So this is like a breaker block. Do you understand? The last bearish candle before, we had a little bit retracement as if it's gonna retrace to the upside, and then we had drop. So this is like a breaker block, and this is price retracing, touching that the place, and we're having more of like a drop down. So hula. Then on I think, okay, let's check on 5 minutes what we have on 5 minutes. I think that's price action was created Friday or so. So we're still having same thing on 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, we're having this and this. So if you watch closely, we are having a fair value gap inside of it. So you use your time and price to filter everything you want to do here, depending on when price come we explain time and price for you guys one day. So, but look at what we have here. If you watch, we had a little bit um price entered that other block a little bit and we dropped. So, but normally, price is supposed to go like 50% of the other block, but that's not or doesn't that's not really always the case. Do you understand? So, but if you watch here, we're having that here. So, if you we can trade back to, even if it is the opening of this other block and then we drop, fine. If it is not, let's still use this level for the drop. So on GU as well, JPB USD. So to be on the safer side, what you do this week is to stay more on DXY. Use DXY to carve out whatever you want to do to give you an edge. See what we have here on GU. See, very smooth. So we have this and fair value gap inside of it as well. So I want to still see price do this. So it all depends on what area DXY goes first. Is it the other one we want to see a buy from and the time it goes in, and the one we want to see a sell from and the time it goes in? So it all depends. Wishing you all guys a profitable week. I love you all. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.